Hi, boys and girls, and welcome back to social studies class. Now, we just learned about a little about finding where you are, and I know my video cut short, but we had a where is South Bend on this map, and South Bend is right up here, so it's kind of near Gary, Indiana. Also, another interesting fact about Indiana in the map is that my brother and my sister-in-law live in Indiana, and they live in Bloomington. All right, so let's keep reading. Some maps show states and countries. A country is an area of land with its own people and laws. And the United States of America is our country. It has 50 states, and lines on a map show borders. A border is where a state or country ends. So remember, this Missouri is a state. Iowa is a state, Kansas is a state, Oklahoma is a state, Texas is a state, but the United States of America is our country. All right, so let's find your state on this map. And so this is my state right here, Missouri. So when I go home, when I go back to the states, I go to Missouri. All right. Let's keep going. It says most maps, they use colors to show land and water. Green or brown shows land and blue shows water. So rivers are blue lines on a map. So sometimes they are the borders of states. So, all right. So we're going to discuss this picture, okay? And I want you to know that maps use colors to show land and water. So we know that this is land, and these are rivers. So can you name a city by a river? It says name a city near a river. Well, Oklahoma City right there, that looks like it's near a river. So is Tulsa. Tulsa is near a river. All right. Great job, boys and girls. Okay. So, all right, we know that maps show the locations of places or where places are, and you can find land and water on a map, just like this. This is the land right here, and then these blue lines are the water or the river. All right, so maps show the locations of places such as streets, cities, states, countries, and rivers. All right, so how can a map help you find places? Well, maps, they show the locations of streets, cities, states, and countries. And you can use a map to see if places are near or far from each other. So, what is a country? Well, a country is an area of land with its own people and laws. And then, what is brown or green on a map? Well, land is shown as brown or green on the map. And then, what is blue? Water is shown as blue. All right, so what you're going to do is just follow directions below the map and talk about where you live. It says color your state green. Now, I know that we don't technically live right now in the United States, but if there is a state that you go to often to visit family, then I want you to color that state's green. So I would color Missouri green. And then you're going to place a red dot where your community is located in your state. So I want you to maybe find a map of your state and you're going to put a red dot where your community is. Because I live in Missouri, but my city is located in Kansas City. So I would put a red dot right there. And then you're going to color the rest of your country brown. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Also, you can have your parents help you as well. Um, but yes, so you're going to color your state green, place a red dot where your community is located in your state, and then you're going to color the rest of the country brown. All right. If you have any questions, let me know, boys and girls. Great job listening today, and I hope you learned a lot about finding where you live.